Good morning, guys. Welcome back to the channel. So today's bag tour is of the Coach City bag, style number 9790. This bag is in the color dark purple, so it's this beautiful dark purple color, as you can see, and it's got nickel hardware. And this bag was made in China in 2005, so it's not quite yet vintage. It should be vintage in 2025, so pretty soon it'll be considered vintage. So this is a nice shoulder bag. It comes with an adjustable strap, as you can see. Here's the front of the bag. It does have a turn lock closure. Here's how you would open and close the bag. Pretty easy. Here's what the sides of the bag look like. Here's where the strap attaches to the side of the bag. And then here's the back. And it does have a slip pocket along the back, which is pretty convenient to have. And then I'll open the bag and show you the interior pockets. So there's a slip pocket here under the front flap. And then here's the main body of the bag, and it's got a back zip pocket as well. And then, like I mentioned, it's got this back pocket, so it's got those three pockets. This one under the front flap, the interior zip pocket, and then the back exterior pocket. So it's nice, it's got all those pockets to store items. And of course the Coach Creed is along this back inside pocket. So here's a close-up of the Creed so you can see that it's authentic. I'll also insert a close-up photo so you can see it a little bit better than I can show it on camera here on video. So that is the Coach City bag, style number 9790, in this beautiful dark purple color. And right now at this moment we do have two of these types of bags in the store in this nice beautiful dark purple color. So I will link below this one if you wanted to check it out. It will be below. It is for sale in our store. But otherwise, thanks for watching, take care, and I will see you next time.